Hey gang, welcome to another Pro Acoustics Tech Talk. I'm Nathan, and today we're going to talk all about the brand new Anchor Audio Bigfoot 3. Let's check it out. Alright, so Anchor Audio is built upon their Bigfoot 2 product that has been out for some time now and unveiled the Bigfoot 3. Bigfoot 3 has deeper bass from 5 neodymium 8-inch woofers along with high frequency drivers, which gives it a deeper bass and lets it get louder as well. This unit, when standing up tall, is 68.5 inches. When closed up for transport, it is 42.5 inches, and all in all weighs about 68 pounds, but is very easy to transport. No problem there at all. Also comes with these very heavy duty rubber latches to secure it when it's both in the open and or closed position. This unit also has compatibility with the AnchorFlex system, which basically is how an Anchor Audio product can wirelessly communicate with other Anchor Audio products, just like the Liberty 3 and others. It does have an all-weather resistant housing with a 7-hour battery life. All right, so when we open up the back panel, which also can be secured by these heavy-duty rubber straps, you will find a dual wireless microphone receiver that allows you to pair up to 4 wireless mics here on the top. Also the AnchorFlex broadcast, which will send a UHF signal over to the other units. You also have 2 XLR or 1/4-inch combo jacks, as well as 2 additional line input and a line output as well to feed additional units. And also built-in Bluetooth here. So very powerful unit, lots of input options. With those up to 4 wireless mics, you can do a combination of handhelds or lapels or collar mics as needed so that you can really pair it for your application. And also store them here in the easy carrying pouch, which can also be locked up in case of any inclement weather, like at a ball field or anything along those lines. Battery can be replaced and gives you 7 hours of battery life. With the Bigfoot, you get Anchor Audio's 642 warranty. That is 6 years on the unit itself, 4 years on the battery, and 2 years on any other products like the wireless mics and whatnot. And this unit is proudly built in the United States as well, so it can be used for government applications. And even though it's big and tall, it's designed to get loud and is actually quite easy to move around. Let's take a listen and see what it sounds like. Definitely something worth checking out, guys. If I can help with anything or answer any questions about the product, go to our website, www.proacousticsusa.com. Drop us a like or a line down below. Let us know you're watching. And until next time, guys, I'm Nathan. Take care.